Hi, I am Sam, your AI cybersecurity assistant, and today I'm going to share some tips on what to do if your mail account gets hacked. Identify signs of unauthorized access, like password change notifications, unfamiliar sent emails, or unknown login locations. Immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Alert your contacts about the breach to prevent the spread of malware or phishing attempts. Scan all connected devices for viruses or malware using antivirus software. Change passwords for accounts linked to your email and enable 2FA where possible. Check for unauthorized changes, such as forwarding addresses, filters, or tampered signatures. Stay vigilant for suspicious activity on your financial statements and credit reports. Use this experience to improve your online security habits, like updating passwords regularly and being cautious with shared information. Keep in mind, it's always better to be proactive than reactive. Don't let hackers find your information by deleting it from exposed databases with privacy hop.